we're a human-centered design firm, so what do we need to do to be human-centered? We need to go to where the humans are, where they shop. So we're heading out to Whole Foods. So we'll go into the field, we'll spend some time watching people shop, we'll look through the aisles, we'll maybe talk to a few people, and we'll bring all of that insight back to our weekend of live innovation.
Conducting 2 days worth of workshops and micro activities to really tap into the hive mind of the attendees here at South by Southwest and understand A, how they're thinking about the trends that we've identified this year, and B, how we can apply what we're seeing in terms of the changing face of technology, how we can apply that to the connected shopping experience. One of the activities that we did is called Ecosystem Evolution, and in it we kind of map out the entire ecosystem of this grocery store, physical and digital platforms, trying to really understand how to bring them together in service of the customer who's always at the center.
So we're having folks come up and we're starting to kind of get their feelings about how they would use. In the case of today, we're looking at how the role of machine learning and conversational UI when we think about chatbots.
So in some way, you're developing a machine's persona. Ultimately, the thing it needs to do is provide the user with the experience that's best for them.
All right, we're at the end of 48 hours. It's time to synthesize. We're gonna go figure out what trends, what ideas, what can we find. Here we go.
It's nice to have an actual result that started from design thinking and then also being able to show you some of the activities and things that we do.